In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Venmo refund not showing up. So if your refund is not showing up, that may be because of the policy of Venmo. So it may take some time before you receive your refund, and the time frame for refunds to be processed and applied to your Venmo may vary per merchant. It's best to reach out to the merchant directly to get a time frame of when you can expect your refund. So it's actually called pending. So it can help the merchant what time to review the transaction, and you may see your money pending before it's available for use. You can release a pending refund or incoming transfer to your account. If it's been pending for 30 minutes, you can head over and then contact Venmo. So in that way, they can help you with this particular option. So if your refund or incoming transfer get deposited and then reversed, what you can do is you can head over and then contact the merchant, which means the merchant has canceled or reversed the transaction of their refund. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.